Hey there, hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install pip, which is the Python package index, which allows you to install packages for your Python projects. So first go to search and look for a terminal or command prompt. You can type in cmd. And over here, you can see if I do python -- version, I'm on 3.14, so I have Python installed. But if I do pip -- version, you can see pip is not recognized as an internal or external command, so we need to install pip. Now, when you install Python, it usually installs pip as well, but if it so happens to not install pip, then just go to python.org, go to downloads, and download the installer. Once you've downloaded the installer, just click on it to open it. And over here, just click modify. Make sure you check pip, click next, and make sure you add Python to environment variables. And then click install. And then afterwards, you'll see this message, modify was successful. And now if I do pip -- version, you can see we have pip version 25.3. And you can install your packages. So for example, maybe you want pandas, you can do pip install pandas. And you can see we've installed the package. And to check, you can do pip list. And here you can see these are all the packages that I have installed. And to uninstall a package, you can just do pip uninstall like so. Okay, and if I do pip list again, you can see I no longer have that package listed. Alright, so that's how you can install pip. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a like. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. And as always, if you want to stay up to date for more tutorials like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.